In this video, we will be learning how to add a QuickOp to an RO. Find the RO you want to add the opcode to from the RO summary on the right. Double-click on the line of the RO or customer and this will populate the write-up window. Now you will need to click on the Edit button to add an opcode. Click on a blank job box. Right below the job box is the QuickOp box. Type the first couple characters of the opcode. Then click the down arrow on the side of the QuickOp box. This will list all of the opcodes that start with the characters you typed in. Pick the code from the list and it will populate the job box. Finally, click on OK in the upper right-hand corner of the window. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to add a QuickOp to an RO.